So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is like not the normal video that I usually post, but I've had this difficulty and I decided to share it since I found out the problem on how to solve this. So guys, it's basically changing your channel art, and I noticed that when I go to my laptop and I try to change my channel art, it gives the error sign, like this is an error, the error thing. And then I was like clueless. I struggle with this. I tried to find out how to figure out how to get to this and how to solve the problem, and then I solved the problem, and that is what basically I'm going to be showing you guys in this video today. So it's gonna be a short video. This is a very short video. It's not like the normal video I do, but I just felt like this would be helpful to you guys since it was helpful to me. So I decided to share it out there because I know so many people will be struggling with this right now. So that was why I decided to share this video out. So just watch and see how I was able to solve that problem, and hopefully that helps you out. And if you haven't subscribed, please, I hope you all consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. So guys, here I am. All you need to do is go to the channel page. When you log into your account, you go to your channel and then you open up, you see the customize channel, then you click on customize channel, and then it takes you to where you can change your channel art. When you go there, I tried to change my channel art. When I clicked it, I noticed that I couldn't change it. This is what happened. I clicked on the add channel art, and then it had to tell me to sign in, even though I'm already signed in. But then as I tried clicking it again, it brings out this message right here, the error message. There was an error and all that. So what I did was I cleared that up, and then I went to the system preference. You go up to where you have your Safari, and then you click on the Safari. Then you see your preferences, that's where you click on, and then you come here and click on manage website data. You have to clear everything. I clicked on remove all. You click on remove all and then remove noun. Click on remove noun and then done. So when you do that, you can now go back up, then go back up and try to sign in again. So as you try to sign in again, it will then allow me to put my email and password, and then you can sign in and then change your channel art. That is basically it. Nothing more, nothing less. This is it. Guys, you can now. So guys, I hope this video was helpful enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it helped someone out there. So if it really helped, just remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any other video. Thank you for watching.